Is FFmpeg Project crashing because of the audio-video format 57.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before diving into the manual fix for audio-video format 57, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the audio-video format 57, a foundational FFmpeg v3.x demu and mux module that handles container parsing and stream packaging. It is required by older editing pipelines. If missing, applications may fail media recognition and produce errors such as media format not recognized. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If your software is failing because of audio-video format 57.dll, the internal file mapping for FFmpeg Project is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered audio-video format 57 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick warning, many sites offering audio-video format 57.dll are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for audio-video format 57 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support